Bitcoin dips below $63,000, Ether stays above $3,400. Sony to restart Japanese crypto exchange Whalefin purchase from Amber Group in 2023. South Korea's second largest chip maker to invest $75 billion in AI through 2028. Philippines adopts Tether's USDT for social security payments. German US governments move $150 million in crypto. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading higher, recovering a measure of recent losses in anticipation of more cues on US interest rates from the Federal Reserve. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading near $63,000, crucial levels. Shikha Singh joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, was trading up by 2.2% at 80,650 points. Interestingly, as now the defunct exchange Mt. Gox was scheduled to start distributing stolen tokens this week, investors were wary of a possible significant liquidation event. Given that the value of Bitcoin has increased significantly over the last 10 years, traders predicted that those who received the stolen tokens would likely be inclined to sell. But sentiment towards crypto still remained on the edge before a slew of more cues in US interest rates this week. Furthermore, Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, will speak later this week, while the minutes of the Fed's June meeting are due on Wednesday. The non-farm payroll report, which is scheduled to provide additional hints about interest rates, is due on Friday. Traders appear to be hedging their bets that the Fed will lower interest rates by 25 basis points in September, a notion that also offered some support to virtual currencies. In an interesting piece of news, a significant whale, which is Abrakis Capital, has withdrawn a massive 60,000 Ethereum from Bitfinex in the last 24 hours, which has shot up Ethereum price by 4%. Ethereum's daily trading volume increased by 50% to $9.8 billion. Whales have recently started trading various altcoins for ETH amid the frenzy around the Ethereum ETF. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading at a $2.32 trillion mark, increasing 2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 40% to $53 billion. Moreover, Solana has unexpectedly outperformed Ethereum in daily DEX trading volumes, indicating major shifts in the crypto marketplace. Solana's DEX has accumulated a remarkable $1.148 billion, eclipsing Ethereum's $745 billion. Separately, Toncoin is experiencing explosive growth, with the number of active users on the network exceeding 32 million. The unique ecosystem of Telegram, one of the most widely used messaging apps worldwide, supports Ton's bullish outlook. In another news, Dog Wifhat, a Solana-based meme coin, has outperformed Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by daily trading volume, according to CoinGecko data. Wif has recorded nearly $600 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours, while Pepe is in the second place with $518 million worth of trading volume. US stock futures rose as Wall Street looked ahead to the second half of 2024. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.12%, while S&P 500 gained 0.08%. Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.02%. Bitcoin was trading at $62,800, up by 2.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4.7%, trading at $3,475. BNB was up by 1.3% to trade at $581. Solana's SOL was up by 4.3% and was trading at $147. Cardano's ADA token was up by 3.3% to trade at $0.4. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $29.9 higher, 5%. Polygon Matic was trading by 2.4% to trade at $0.56. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.2% at $0.12. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 1.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.5% to trade at $6.4.
Thanks, Shikha. And now back to the headlines. Sony is planning to restart the crypto exchange Whalefin, which it bought from crypto lender Amber Group last year. On Monday, Whalefin puts out a notice that parent company Amber Japan was rebranding to S.Blocks. The notice added that the company was bought by Quetta Web, a unit of Sony, in August 2023. The financial terms of the deal were not disclosed, while Amber Japan, formerly known as DCarret, was taken over by crypto finance firm Amber Group in 2022. Sony plans to restart the crypto exchange soon with a new app, the firm said in a release on the PR Times. SK Hynix, the second largest chip maker in South Korea behind Samsung, will invest $74.6 billion over the next 3 years to develop memory chip technologies focused on AI. Parent company SK Group will also seek to secure an additional $57.8 billion to further fund its AI endeavors by 2026, according to a report from Reuters. Per the report, SK Group has suffered heavy losses recently through Hynix and its vehicle battery subsidiary, while if the second is secured, the outsized investments will total nearly $133 billion, according to company's market cap. SK Hynix alone only has a market cap of about $118 billion. SK Group evidently sees the expenditures and the high-end focus on developing AI technologies as a path towards recouping the reported losses and now shoring up the fiscal future for the company. The world's largest stablecoin issuer Tether has introduced a new crypto payment option for the Philippines population, allowing them to pay their social security system contributions in USDT. In the Philippines, the Social Security System is a state-run social insurance program that serves employees in the official, informal, and private sectors, where the SSS is maintained. The SSS is mandated by law and aims to provide for citizens in tough times. It currently administers two programs, the Social Security Program and the Employees Compensation Program. Tether has partnered with Web3 shopping and infra firm Uquid to allow Philippine citizens to pay their SSS contributions in Tether USDT or the Dawn blockchain. The German and US governments have drawn significant attention after transferring millions of dollars of crypto holdings. The German government has made substantial Bitcoin transfers, while the US government has transferred Ether from seized funds. On July 1, the German government moved 1,500 BTC worth roughly $95 million to multiple crypto exchanges, while the US government moved 3,375 ETH worth $11.75 million to an unknown address. According to data from the on-chain analytics platform Arkham Intelligence, the German government has transferred 2,700 BTC to multiple exchanges over the last 2 weeks. The exchanges include Bitstamp, Coinbase, and Kraken. The German government currently holds 44,692 BTC worth approximately $2.82 billion. In its latest transfers, 400 of 1,500 BTC transferred was sent to the aforementioned major crypto exchanges, while 750 BTC was transferred on June 26, 250 of that to Bitstamp and Kraken. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed a new single-slot finality, also known as SSF mechanism, to improve transaction time latencies by hundreds of milliseconds or even less. The current Ethereum Gasper consensus employs a slot and epoch mechanism where validators cast votes in each 12-second slot, and all validators have the opportunity to vote once over 32 slots. However, this approach has two major concerns: the complexity and several interaction bugs between the two slot-by-slot voting mechanisms and the epoch-by-epoch finality mechanism. To simplify this, Buterin proposes a single-slot finality mechanism similar to the Tendermint consensus, where block N is finalized even before the creation of block N+1. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana has unexpectedly outperformed Ethereum in daily DEX trading volumes, indicating major shifts in the crypto marketplace. Solana's DEX has accumulated a remarkable $1.148 billion, eclipsing Ethereum's $745 million. This achievement highlights the growing importance of Solana-based platforms like Raydium, Meteora, Orca, Phoenix, and Lifinity, which have gained significant traction. Over the past week, DEX trading volumes have reached a cumulative $26 billion, with Solana's share prominently increasing. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana has unexpectedly outperformed Ethereum in daily DEX trading volumes, indicating major shifts in the crypto marketplace. Solana's DEX has accumulated a remarkable $1.148 billion, eclipsing Ethereum's $745 million. This achievement highlights the growing importance of Solana-based platforms like Raydium, Meteora, Orca, Phoenix, and Lifinity, which have gained significant traction. Over the past week, DEX trading volumes have reached a cumulative $26 billion, with Solana's share prominently increasing. Next on the list, we have Polkadot. Polkadot's development activity has been a significant part of the blockchain's growth, with a metric reading of 46.93 last week. However, on June 28th, the reading dropped, indicating a decrease in the development activity, and that is due to a lack of commitment to polishing the network. Despite this, Polkadot made significant strides during the week, with notable developments such as Snowbridge, a trustless cross-chain project, and others involving non-fungible tokens. Next on the list, we have Dogwifat. Dogwifat, a Solana-based meme coin, has outperformed Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by daily trading volume, according to CoinGecko data. WIF has recorded nearly $600 million in trading volume over the past 24 hours, while Pepe is in the second place with $518 million worth of trading volume. Doge, the undisputed meme coin sector leader, is only in the third place with $424 million. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin with a market cap of $10.2 billion, is in the sixth place with a modest trading volume of $172 million. Last on the list, we have Toncoin. Toncoin is experiencing explosive growth, with the number of active users on the network exceeding 32 million. The unique ecosystem of Telegram, one of the most widely used messaging apps worldwide, supports Ton's bullish outlook. The recent milestone of 32 million active users shows how people are becoming more interested and confident in Toncoin. The increase in users is a sign of Ton's long-term potential, as a larger user base usually translates into increased demand and product stability.
Well, that's all in today's bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.